Good afternoon, students. I'm Rana Khalil from Al Bashair Typical Academy. Today, we're going to have a little revision about the tenses. We will start with present simple tense. We will start with present simple tense. What is present simple? Present simple is a verb that talks about regular actions, facts, and habits. We talk about regular actions, facts, and habits. We have affirmative form, negative form, interrogative form. First, we will start with the affirmative form. What is the affirmative form of this verb? We will start with singular pronouns. Singular pronouns: he, she, it plus verb plus s or es according to the verb. Verb plus s or es. I, we, they, you plus verb, and this verb is infinitive as you see, without s and without es. We always have adverbs. These adverbs are the keywords of the verb. What are the keywords of the present simple tense? Always, often, rarely, usually, frequently, seldom, and we have also, okay, let's stop. We also have usually, frequently, seldom, normally, sometimes, hardly ever, generally, okay. Also we have normally, sometimes, hardly ever, generally, occasionally, scarcely ever, every, never, daily, and weekly. When do we use present simple? When do we use present simple? We use present simple to talk about general truths and rules. Water consists of hydrogen and oxygen. The air goes around the sun. We also use it to talk about routines and habits, repeated and activities regularly. We also use present simple tense to talk about routine. Huda always drinks juice. Huda is singular. We add s to the verb. You see the s? I study for 2 hours every night. I is singular pronouns, but we can't add s to it. We use it as a plural pronoun. I study. The rule says in I, we, they, you without s. Every night is a keyword for present simple. The boy sometimes comes here. The boy singular. He. So we add s to the verb comes. Okay? He speaks French well. He is a singular pronoun. We add s to the verb, so he speaks French well. When do we add es to the verb? Sometimes we add s and sometimes we add es. When the verb ends with o, sh, ch, and sh, s, x, z, and also when we have double s, when we have double s, like goes, approaches, pushes, passes, we have double s, and boxes. Okay? When we have double s here, we don't have one s. Okay? Now we will talk about interrogative form. Interrogative form means how to make a negative yes or no question or WH question about the verb or about the sentence. This is an example of yes or no questions. Do plus I, we, they, or you plus verb. Does plus he, she, it plus verb infinitive. Do or does. Does the sun rise in the east? Do the girls go to school every day? The sun is singular. We add does with the singular. Do with the girls is plural, جمع. Do you live in Ajloon? You is plural. We add you. Okay? Now we have the negative form of this verb. What is the negative form? Doesn't with the singular he, she, it, and don't with the plural I, we, they, you. Jordan doesn't lie in Europe. Jordan is mufrad, is singular. We add doesn't. We don't play football every day. We don't. Don't because we have we. I don't work in a bank. I don't work in a bank.